Hello and welcome. So you're a business leader and you keep hearing about Python, right? It's everywhere. But the real question is it all just hype or is it actually the right move for your business? Well, today we're going to cut through the noise and get you a straight answer. Hi, I'm an expert from WeblineIndia. You know, our whole job is basically to take these super complex tech questions and translate them into clear, simple answers that businesses can actually use. So you're getting a perspective straight from the people who work with this stuff every single day. And you can trust what we're talking about because this is what we do. At WeblineIndia, we're building everything from custom software to mobile and web apps. We're also deep into the really exciting stuff like AI, machine learning, even agentic AI solutions, and building out powerful automations with tools like NN. So yeah, we've seen it all, and that's the experience we're bringing to this conversation. All right, so let's get right to it. The big question on the table. Is Python just a buzzword, or is it genuinely the key that could unlock some serious innovation for your business? Let's figure this out. Okay, first things first. Before we can decide if it's right for you, we've got to understand, why is everyone talking about it? What's actually behind all this hype? Well, it turns out the hype has some serious legs. Just look at the data from Statista. Python is the third most popular programming language in the world. We're not talking about some small niche thing here. This is a massive global force in tech. So what's the secret? Why does everyone love it so much? It really comes down to 5 main things. For starters, the code is super simple and easy to read. It has a huge active community, which means you can always find help. It's also incredibly versatile. You can do almost anything with it. Plus, you can develop things way faster. And maybe the best part for business? It's open source, which means it's super cost-effective. And you know, that simple code thing, that's a way bigger deal than it sounds. It's not just a nice to have for developers. For your business, that simple code means you get your projects built faster, it means updates are easier, and it means long-term maintenance is cheaper. That's less money wasted on fixing bugs and more time and budget for building cool new things. All right, so we get why it's popular, but that's the theory. For you, as a business leader, the question is, what can you actually do with it? Where does Python really shine in the real world? Oh, this is where it gets really good. That versatility we talked about, it's no joke. We use it to build robust backends for websites with frameworks like Django and Flask. It's an absolute powerhouse for data science and analytics. Think pandas and NumPy. When it comes to AI and machine learning with tools like TensorFlow, honestly, Python is king. And for things like scripting and automation to save you time and money, yeah, it's the go-to choice there too. And look, this isn't just for small projects or startups. We're talking about the biggest names in the game. Google, Instagram, Facebook, they all rely heavily on Python for critical systems. I mean, if it's powerful and scalable enough for them, you can bet it can handle whatever your business throws at it. Okay, but let's talk about the one big question that always comes up, the elephant in the room. This all sounds great, but isn't Python slow? Is it really fast enough for what we need? It's a fair question, and one we hear all the time. So let's break it down. So here's the deal. Is Python slower than something like C++ in a raw head-to-head race? Yes. But here's the reality check. For the vast majority of business needs like web applications or data analysis, it is absolutely 100% fast enough. And for the technical stuff like the famous 𝗲, which can sometimes limit doing multiple things at once, honestly, modern developers have so many clever workarounds and tools like async that it's just not the blocker it used to be. Because here's the secret. Performance isn't just about the language's raw speed, it's about how you build with it. It's about smart architecture. The way we get top-tier performance on big enterprise projects is by using asynchronous code for efficiency, tapping into powerful libraries that are actually written in C, and scaling things intelligently with tools like Celery and Redis. It's about being smart, not just fast. Okay, we've covered a lot. The good, the popular, and even the performance concerns. So now the big finale. How do you actually make the call for your business? Let's put it all together. This breaks it down really simply. You should lean heavily towards Python if you need to get your product to market fast. If AI, machine learning, or data is a big part of your strategy, it's a no-brainer. And if you want a flexible, do-it-all language and easy access to developers, Python is your answer. Now, on the flip side, are there times to look elsewhere? Sure. If you're doing super high-performance, low-level computing, or have some extreme memory limitations, then yeah, you might look at other options. So really, it all comes down to this. Are you ready to start building the kind of solutions that will keep you ahead of the curve and drive real innovation? Because at the end of the day, that's exactly what Python lets you do. And if you're thinking about how this could apply to your business and want to talk to an expert, let's connect. You can visit our website at WeblineIndia.com or just shoot us an email at info@WeblineIndia.com. And of course, follow us for more tech insights just like this.
And hey, if you found this breakdown useful, the best thing you can do is subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll get all our future updates and deep dives as soon as they come out.
Thank you so much for watching. If this helps clear things up for you, a quick like or a share really helps other people discover this information too. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.